going on, everybody? Just wanted to make a quick video about what I'm excited about from the new Inventables launch announcement from maybe 2 weeks ago. And specifically one of the things that I think went under a lot of people's radar, but I'm personally very excited about. And that is the new library of icons and artwork that you get to use. It may not seem like a big deal, but it'll be really great to have even more options. They already have maybe a few hundred, but to expand that out to the millions that they're going to put in there is going to be awesome. And to show why I think that's so important, I made some of these little napkin holders, or napkin rings. And this one is a squirrel, and we're going to make this one, which is just a heart. So for Thanksgiving, you can use the squirrels, or I made some leaf ones, and then Valentine's Day you can use the heart ones. But it's so easy using their library that as someone who's not very artistic and I can't draw very well, it's awesome to have this library. So we're going to jump into it and I'll show you how easy it is. So I'm starting in a new easel project. I have my hardwood set up as some soft maple, 12 by 8 by 1/4 inch, and now I'm going into the library, and this is the existing icons. And as you can see, there's a huge set here. We can scroll all the way down to the bottom, look through them all, and for this particular application, some are going to work better than others. We're going to use some solid shapes. Well, in this case, we're just going to use the solid heart. So I'll select that. It will drop into our area here, and I can change the dimensions to what I want. I'm going to go with about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. And now I can change my cut settings. So I'll set it to cut outside the shape so I get the inside shape. And then I'll just move it into a safe area where I know I have some scraps set up, and so we'll be able to see that in a little bit. And now if we come in here, easel provides a template for the holes as a shape, so we can just move this button pattern into the center of our heart shape, drop that on, and there we go. And I've actually done it with setting drill holes for peck drilling operations, but this is much faster and a lot easier. Now I have mine set up with double-sided stick tape, so I'm going to turn the tabs off, but if you don't have that set up, you'll want tabs to make sure your piece is safely maintained. And that's pretty much it. So even though I know it won't be out until next year or so, I'm very much looking forward to it, so that you can continue to expand on the types of things you can make really quickly. As you saw, it just took a couple seconds to search through the library, find something that you wanted, put it together, and then you get a finished product. And the inspiration for this, by the way, came from, I was flipping through a home design magazine, and I saw it as, oh, use these buttons to dress up your napkin rings. And I was like, oh, buttons are cool, but I can make bespoke items. So it just goes to show you that something like the library, which may not have gotten much attention, is going to be a great addition. So if you guys have ideas for other projects that will become a lot easier with more artwork or more expandable, leave a comment below, because I'm always looking for other things to make that you can put together quickly. And I'll put the file here, the heart-shaped one, in the public section, so you can look for that. But until next time, thanks.